Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can get the Udemy courses for free with certifications without pirating the courses and no third-party glitches. You will be able to get these courses from Udemy's official website for free. So let's start. To get these courses on Udemy for free, you have to search this secret keyword in your browser and open the first website. Don't worry, I will share this keyword in the end of this video. In this website, you can find 3000 plus paid Udemy courses that you can get for free. This website actually provides the 100% off coupons that you can use on Udemy's official website to get any course for free. Let me show you step by step how it works. For example, I want to get this web design course. Once I click on this course, there is a take course button that generates the 100% coupon link of this course. After I click on this link, it redirects to official udemy.com website with the 100% off coupon already applied by default, and the price shown is free. Here, if I remove this coupon, you can see it is now paid. All the courses you will get through this website will include certificate of completion and lifetime access. Let me open the coupon link again, and here you can see the course is free. Once I click on enroll now, here the checkout page opens and the price here is $7.99, but after the 100% discount is applied, the course price is $0. Here you can see the message your cart is free. Additionally, you don't have to give any card details. Just click on enroll now and you will get the course for free. So the secret keyword to get these coupon is Disc Udemy. Search it on Google or you can visit discudemy.com. You can also search the courses on the website as per your requirements and enroll for free. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more free stuff.